Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. Next, how to scan a string and how to scan and print a string in a C language. Okay, so first of all, how to scan a string. So void main, where I am using declaring character of array name string of size 10. So first clear the screen, CLR SCR to clear the screen. Next, ask the end user to enter the F2 str7.c void main. So declaring character array character of str of some size 10. Okay, here CLR SCR to clear the screen. So ask the end user to enter the string. Printf enter any string and scanf percentage s comma str. So please remember, array name is always the base address of an array. This is already an address, no need to write address of str and then print that value. So printf string is so percentage s comma str. This is also address. Percentage s prints address base address to up to null character. So alt F9 yes, control F9, control F9, enter any string. I am entering SMR, enter. So alt F5, output is string is SMR. So what is the drawback in this scanf function is it is don't scan the numbers after the space. So scanf function does not scan the values after the space. I am entering enter any string SMR space education and then press enter. It scans only SMR. So alt F5, the output is string is SMR. Okay, so after space this scanf function does not scan the values. Okay, now you have to use by using gets function, by using gets of str. It scans the run this code control alt F9 SMR, the output is alt F5 SMR and then once again run SMR space education, the output is string is SMR education. Sorry, here we are assigning the size is 10. Alt F open str7 F alt F2. So file name is str7.c. void main. Here char str of size is 100. So let's clear the screen, CLR SCR, printf, so enter any string, and then gets of str, then printf string is percentage s comma str. Now alt F9, yes, control F9. So enter any string SMR, alt F5, the string is SMR. Control F9, SMR space education. Alt F5, string is SMR education. Okay. So now, so instead of in printf statement, after printing this statement, the cursor is blinking the alt F5, the cursor is blinking in at the n. After n, the cursor is blinking. Okay. So instead of writing printf statements, simply have to use puts function, puts of str. This function prints after printing the string, it automatically goes to the next line. Alt F9, yes, control F9, enter any string SMR, alt F5. Now the cursor is blinking in next line. So control F9, so SMR space education, alt F5, SMR education. Next cursor is blinking the next line. So best way to scan the string is gets function. Next best way to printing is puts function.